You want to know how to get into tech. You want to know how to start a career as a web developer or in general as a developer, how to choose your path and what ways or what to expect from it. Then this video is for you. In this video I'm going to explain you how my way was, what I did, what I do now, and also what I want to do in the following years. My name is David and I work in tech for almost around 8 years. I started at a small company in my local area and now I'm going to be a senior dev at a big corporation company in Munich, Germany. How my career started. I started with a professional training in Germany, which is a 3-year training where you go to school and you also going to work. In this year, I learned like some small concepts about programming, networking, and because in Germany we also see it as an economic job, I also learned some tools about it, how to be profitable and how to plan your projects to make money. I also had some experience in my prior years. I worked on some side projects in my free time, which helped me a lot in my school. This created me the opportunity to work at the company where I started my training years. The company did some small SAP tools on their own, and I worked there and didn't or wasn't allowed to work on the production system, so I built some internal tools, like I built the intranet. I planned out the diagrams and the architecture of our current implementation or application. And then I thought about writing our own native app for Android. At this time, my company didn't had a mobile app version, but was interested in it. So I took the opportunity and tried to build it on my own. We didn't ended up using it, but it was a nice experience, which got me hands-on with Java, which came in handy in my next job. After the 3 years at my company, where I did my professional training, I decided that the company and I didn't fit together anymore. The plans for me wasn't aligned with the company's. I wanted to experience how a big corporate company feels like. I want to build my portfolio. I want to get good at programming and building my career out. So I started applying I think like it was like 4 months after my graduation for some new positions, which luckily one company accepted me. And at this company, they hired me because I had a good portfolio. I worked in my free time. I luckily had experience with Java thanks to the mobile app application. And I guess I just did perform well at the interview. And yes, that's where I am still working at. And now, if you want to know how to get really into tech based on my experience with also knowing more people who are working in tech right now, is go the classic way, which is the most easy way, which I didn't take. Go to uni and study one subject like computer science or anything related with computer science. There's many out there in Germany. This is the most easy way where no one is talking anything about you. I notice it right now for me. If you only have a professional training, you need to work a bit harder than people from the uni. But I'm glad I did the professional training because I didn't like the theoretic parts in uni. And so yes, this is my recommendation. Also, what is really important is that you are really getting your hands dirty. Start doing projects, get yourself a GitHub account, look at some repositories, where they show you some projects you can do. There are a few sites which I can link you down below where you can build your own Kafka stream, your own GitHub, get to know the tools you are going to use during the days, and getting yourself out there, posting on X, starting a YouTube channel like I do now, is really important for you and your career, that people start to notice you. Yes, so like I said, in the description I have a few links for beginners to have project ideas, creating a GitHub account and starting out. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, then you can leave a like and comment below if you're already in tech, how you got into it. Thanks.